This is a love reading for you, Aries. In this reading, I'm going to do a heart shape spread for you and your love interest. So, let us see what is the guidance I get from the cards for you and your partner. Please note that this is a general reading, so everything will not apply to all Aries, and it will, whatever may apply, will vary in the intensity. So, who are you in the relationship? Who is your partner in the relationship? What is the strength or challenges you bring, your partner brings? How do you see your partner? How does your partner see you? What is the hope or fear you have about the partner? What is the hope or fear your partner has about you? What is the past you are coming from? What is the past your partner is coming from? And how's overall the guidance for the reading? So, when I look at these cards, one, you're definitely hurt in some way, and it may not necessarily be from your partner. Maybe it is your friends, maybe it's the people at the workplace, or maybe just some family members. Because I'm seeing that you go with a lot of love and understanding, but the other person is coming with a lot of mind and fight and just very harsh words, and it has hurt you very deeply, Aries. So you are someone who's nursing a broken heart in a lot of ways. And who is your partner? Your partner is very giving. It's possible that you get along with your partner only because he or she is so giving, so understanding, and you believe that there are not many people like your partner in this world who will understand you, will offer so much of emotional stability, and just have so much to give. So there is nothing in hiding. Your partner is so transparent and so loving and genuinely liked by everyone, and he or she may be giving very freely to people. So I'm seeing the two of you connect on an emotional level, and you truly love how your partner is so free and giving in the relationship. What is the strength or challenges you bring and your partner brings? You both have very good strengths. You're very welcoming, Aries. You're almost this accepting person. It's like if someone told you, I don't have money, you will accept that person and offer some money. Someone says, this is the problem with me, you're very readily going to start solving the problem. So, you bring this very nice nature of understanding and working with people. There is just such niceness to you. There is so much warmth and acceptance about you, Aries. And even strangers feel as if they are at home when they are talking to you. People open up very easily to you. Your partner seems to have opened up very deeply. So, when I see this person without any clothes, is telling me this is your energy of accepting people. So, your partner is coming very clean, has nothing to hide. And whatever you're seeing in your partner is how he or she exactly is. What is the strength or challenges your partner is bringing? Your partner is also a giver, just brilliant energy. I don't know who you are with, who are you possibly dating, but this is just a very uplifted soul, or just so big by heart and by nature. And both the times there's a feet in the water, so he or she will always test the emotions before speaking. Very nice giving person, and there is so much love your partner has to offer, just brilliant energy. So he or she may be some kind of a negotiator also. I'm seeing that your partner brings this energy of no fight, only peace and let's live in love, something like that. I'm just saying almost an angel here, and he or she is so warm and giving. So you both are a great company together, and you both are so beautifully together. You're warm and accepting, your partner is so giving and understanding that even people come to him or her for a lot of peace and conflict resolution. Now, how do you see your partner, and how does your partner see you? You see your partner as someone who doesn't spend as much time with you and is often asking you for give me more time or let me be alone. You also feel that your partner complains over nothing. Some of you may have had some fight of some sort, and I'm just saying that you feel your partner just complains over nothing. So, this is how you see your partner. The truth is, he or she is coming from a very great energy of understanding, and your partner invests a lot into the relationship and even into you. So, maybe certain complaints bother you because of how deep they are in the emotions and the whole energy. So, you feel Aries, sometimes your partner gets upset or angry over nothing, and then it's just he starts asking for some time out or leave me alone for some time, I don't feel like talking, or he or she may literally be just going on some walks all by himself or herself and then starts to avoid you. Now, how does your partner see you? Your partner feels that you don't do well under stress, and a lot of times you just start to lose or give up the minute you see competition or little bit of stress around you. Almost that you get so worked up or nervous about having to explain or fight it out with someone that you let the other person win. Your partner feels you could handle stress a little bit more, or you could fight it out a bit more with other people or fight your situation a bit more. And this could also be because you get hurt very quickly. I'm seeing a heart with lot of swords. You take things too personally, Aries. This could also be how your partner feels about you, and your partner wants you to toughen up, take stress and not get worked up by stress or competition or certain things that show up, whether at work or at home or with some family members or even with some friends. Now, what is the hope or fear you have about the future with your partner? And what is the hope or fear your partner has about the future with you? You totally, Aries, see this as a winning relationship. You believe that the two of you are going to do well, and it's good for you. This relationship is very good for you. This is how you see it, Aries, that you will be happy in mind, body, spirit, and it will bring that radiance of happiness in you should this relationship work out. You're completely sold out on this relationship. You're very, very positive, and you see the future with this partner. Your partner feels there is a lot more that you need to achieve in life yet, or you are still learning the ropes on how to face life challenges, and he or she is not yet thinking about marriage or future together. Your partner is still in the let's see how things go, or let's see how a day goes, something like that. Also, future wise, I'm seeing that your partner may be someone more established and well to do, and you're someone who's starting out. So, your partner feels you should be little bit be more on your own, have your certain career or certain money going before you both can think of marriage or the next level of children together, or just the next step in the relationship. But your partner is not negative, Aries. He or she just wants taking time or is giving time into the relationship. So you should not get worked up about this energy. It's just that you're very, very ready and positive. Your partner wants to wait and then see how things pan out or play out. Now, what is the past you're coming from and what is the past your partner is coming from? In the past, I'm seeing the two of you went to either a certain college together or you both went to some course together. You both did something together because these are two very big people or somebody who got a very huge rush of big opportunity, and I'm seeing the two of you went somewhere together or you met somewhere together in the past, and your partner could have been lost somewhere somehow or missed your way, or you were just lost career wise and your partner seems to have shown you the path and guidance. And here is someone starting out and here is an old soul. So I'm just saying that your partner could be your mentor or is just somebody more established or age wise is elder to you in some way. So in the past you both met some way and your partner has helped you out, and that's how you are together. Now, how's overall the guidance for the reading? You need to stop worrying, Aries. I don't think your partner is worrying. This energy is telling me of immense worry or having the fear that the downside may play out or something that you fear will happen is going to happen. You need to stop worrying that will this partner be with you or not, will he or she leave you, or will he or she never propose to you. You need to get over this negative feelings, because I'm just seeing that you're in mentally you are in a lot of worry and in some kind of a prison, and I don't get this energy from your partner, I'm getting more this from you. So you need to feel more positive and good about the future and just let a day go by and not be so taken in by the stress of how things could work out or not work out. So you need to just go easy on yourself, Aries. That is the first. And you're not enjoying life. It's like you're forever just banking on or hoping things to happen in a certain way with your partner or happen like this with your partner. Can it work out like this with your partner? You're forever thinking about how things can happen and not happen with your partner, or will he or she like it, not like it. You need to get out of it and start to first enjoy life and be yourself, and then think about things together. You're too worked up in the relationship, and I'm just seeing the stress is more to do with you than your partner. He or she is quite well established, very, very sensitive, emotional, understanding. Nothing here. I'm just seeing you are a bit hurt. You will take things a bit too personally sometimes. So, this is how the reading is for you, Aries, and your love interest.